is your name?
My name is Aravi Dado.
What is your school name?
Videshi Public School Tonda.
Which is your class?
LKG class.
What is your taluka name?
Urgir.
What is your district name?
Latur.
Tell me our national symbols. National bird is?
Peacock.
National fruit is?
Mango.
National animal is?
Tiger.
National flower is?
Lotus.
National song is?
Vande Mataram.
National tree is?
Banana tree.
National anthem is?
Jana Gana Mana.
National river is?
Hockey.
National game is?
Hockey.
Tell me the season's name.
3 seasons. Summer, winter, monsoon.
How many days in the week?
7.
Tell me the days in the week.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is holiday.
Tell me some fruits name.
Apple, banana, pomegranate, mango, apricot, love, cacao, peach, cherry, grapes, strawberry, raspberry, lychee, chiku, jamun, jujube, custard apple, peach.
Very good girl.